Now we will see the second example of the practice set 2.1. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. That means you have to write the rational number into the decimal form as a terminating or non-terminating. First example is given 127 divided by 200. Therefore 127 divided by 200. Decimal point here to 127 is not divided by 200. Therefore we take the division by 0. We get 127. Then here we take two decimal point and 20 or 40. Now here decimal point take 10. 2 6 are 12. Therefore it is divided by 6. 20 as it is. 6 2s are 12. And subtraction is 70. Taking 0 now. Now table of 2 up to the 7. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. But it is less than 8. Therefore 2 3s are 6. 20 as it is. Now taking subtraction, that is 700 minus 100, 600, that is 100. Now taking next 0. Then we get 2 fifths are 10. Therefore 0 as it is. 5 2s are 10. That is subtraction is 0 0. Here we take 30. That means the decimal fraction of 127 upon 200 is 0.63265. This is the simplest division of the given rational numbers. Then next 25 divided by 99. 25 is not divided by 99. Here we take decimal point and 20. 99, 25 is not divided by 99. Therefore firstly divided by 0. We get 25. Here decimal point and taking 0. Now 9. A table of 9 up to the 25. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. But it is less than 27. Therefore it is divided by 2. Product of 99 into 2. 2 9s are 18. Remaining 1. 2 9s are 18 plus 1. 19. Now subtraction is 250 minus 198. That is 52. Now taking 0. Now again table of 9 up to the 52. 9 fifths are 45, 9 6 are 54, but it is less than 54. Therefore we divide it by 5. 99 divided by 5. 9 fifths are 45. 9 fifths are 45 plus 4, 49. That means minus 495. Subtraction is 25. Again we get 25. That means again we take 0. 29 2s are again 198. Again remaining 52. Again we take 0. 99 fifths are again 495. Again subtraction is 25. That means division process does not end. Therefore it is non-terminating recurring form. Therefore we write here 25 upon 99 as 0.25 dash dash dash. And group of digit is repeated, therefore we write at one time and give the bar on that. Therefore decimal form of 25 upon 99 is 0.25 bar. Then third is 23 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. Now here decimal point and here decimal point, and here we take suppose 2 or 3 0. We take 0. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 6. Taking 0. 7 8s are 56. Remaining 4. Taking 0. 7 fifths are 35. Remaining 5. Taking 0. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 1. Here take 0 again. 7 1s are 7. Remaining 3. Taking 0. Again 0. 7 4s are 28. Again we see here we get here 2 and here 2. That means after this, if we continue the division process, then again we get 2 8 5 7 1 4. Again 2 8 5 7 1 4. That means this division is non-terminating recurring form. Therefore we can write 37 upon 2, 23 upon 7 as 3.28, 57, 14, and it is recurring, therefore we give the bar on that. Then next fourth is 4 divided by 5. Again divide by 0, we get 4. Decimal point, here we take 0. 5 8s are 40, and therefore division of decimal form of 4 upon 5 is 0.8. Then fifth, 17 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1. Here taking decimal point, and here we take 0. 8 1s are 8, remaining 2, taking 0. 8 2s are 16, remaining 4, taking 0. 8 fifths are 40, and therefore 17 upon 8 is equal to 2.125, and that is the decimal form of the given rational number. Next example is write the following rational numbers in P upon Q form. First example is 0.6 dot, that means 0.6 is recurring. Therefore firstly we consider this 0.6 bar, or sorry, dot as x, equation number 1, or you can write this as 0.66 dot, both are same. Now in this, digit 6 is repeated or recurring, and therefore multiplied by 10, we get 10 into x, x. Now 0.66 dot into 10 multiplied by 6, that means one decimal point is converted to the RHS, that is we get 6.6 bar. 6.6 bar dot, equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. If 1 is subtracted from 2, then we get 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot. Now 10x minus x, 9x. 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot, that is 6, like this. 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot, that is 6.0 means 6. Now multiplied 9 gets converted to division, and both are multiple of 3, therefore divide by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3, but x means 0.6 dot, that is 0.6 dot is equal to 2 upon 3. In this example, we consider x is equal to given a rational number, that is 0.6 dot. Now in this, one digit only is recurring, that is 6 is recurring, therefore multiplied by 10 to the both sides. 10x is equal to 0.6 dot means 0.66 dot, and it is multiplied 10 by 10, then we get 6.6 dot, equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2, and therefore 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot. 6.6 dot minus 0.6 dot, that is 6.0, that means 6. 10x minus x, 9x, multiplied 9 gets converted to division, 6 upon 9, both are multiple of 3, therefore divide by 3, we get 2 upon 3 is equal to x. X means 0.6 dot, therefore 0.6 dot is equal to 2 upon 3. Then second example is 0.37 bar. Therefore again we consider let x is equal to 0.37 bar. It can be written as 0.3737 bar. Both are same, equation number 1. Now in this example, digits 3 and 7 are recurring. 2 digits are recurring, and therefore multiplied by 100. If one number digit is repeated, then recurring, then multiplied by 10. Here 2 digits are recurring, therefore multiplied by 100. If 3 digits are recurring, then multiplied by 1000. Here we get x into 100, that is 100x. Now 0.37 into 100. If multiplied by 100, then 2 decimal points converted to the RHS 37.37. Therefore here we write 37.37 bar, equation 2. Now again subtracting equation 1 from 2, that is 100x minus x. 100x minus x is equal to 37.37 bar. That means 37.37 bar minus 37 0.37 bar. 37 minus 37 0. 37 minus 0, that is 37. Therefore we get 99x is equal to 37. To find the value of x, multiplied 99 gets converted to division. Therefore x is equal to 37 upon 99, and x means 0.37. 0.37 bar is equal to 37 upon 99, which is the decimal form of the 0.37. Then next, third example is given. 3.17 bar. Then 3.17 bar, again we write let x is equal to 3.17 bar. It can be written as 3.17 bar, equation 1. Again in this example, in this digits 1 and 7 are recurring. How many digits are recurring? 2. And therefore 2 digits are recurring, therefore multiplied by 100. We get 100 into x, 100x. Now 3.17 bar into 100. That means again 2 decimal points are converted towards the RHS. 317.17 bar, equation 2. Again same procedure. All examples are same. Subtracting 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. We get 100x minus x is equal to 317 minus 17 bar minus 3.17 bar. 100x minus x, that is 99x. Again 317.17 bar minus 3.17 bar. 17 gets cancelled. 317 minus 3, that is 314. And therefore to find the value of x, multiplied 99 gets converted to division, but x means 3.17 bar. That means 3.17 bar is equal to 314 divided by 99. All examples are same and easy examples. Next, fourth example is given 15.89. Fourth example is 15.89 bar. Therefore again we consider let x is equal to 15.89 bar. Again it can be written as 89 bar, equation number 1. Again in this example, 2 digits, that is 8 and 9 are recurring. 2 digits are recurring, therefore multiplied by 100, we get 100 into x, 100x is equal to 15.89 into 100. Again 2 decimal points gets converted towards the RHS. We get 1589.89 bar, equation 2. Now again same procedure we take, subtracting equation 1 from 2. We get 100x minus x is equal to 1589.89 bar minus 15.89 bar. 100x minus x, that is 99x. Now subtraction of this 1589.89 minus 15.89. Subtraction here, 89 minus 89 0, 9 minus 5 4, 8 minus 1 7, that is 1574. To find the value of x, multiplied 99 gets converted to division, and therefore x is equal to 1574 upon 99, but x means 15.89 bar, therefore 1574 upon 99, which is the decimal form, that is p upon q form of the 15.89. Then next fifth example is 2.514. Now x is, again we consider x is equal to, let x is equal to 2.514 bar. It can be written as 2.514514 bar, equation 1. Now in this example, three digits are recurring. 5, 1 and 4 are recurring, and therefore three digits are recurring. If three digits are recurring, then multiplied by 1000, 1000 into x, 1000x. Now if you multiplied by 1000, again 3 decimal points converted towards the RHS, that means we get 2514.514, equation number 2. Again same procedure, subtracting equation 1 from 2. 1000 minus x, 1000x minus x is equal to 2514.514 bar minus 2.514 bar. 514 gets 0, 14 minus 2, 12, that is we get 52512, and subtraction of this is 99x, 999x is equal to, here we get 2512. Now to find the value of x, multiplied 999 gets converted to division, but x means 2.514 bar is equal to 2512 upon 999, which is the t upon q form of the given rational number.